What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Steam VR less laggy. So let's get started. So first you need to make sure that you have installed the Steam application, and after coming to the Steam application, on the left side you can see the library section. Hover to that and then click on home. After that, you will see all your games here on the left side. So right click on the game for that you want to see the less laggy VR version of. After you need to click on manage, and after clicking on manage you will see the option of betas. Click on this, and after clicking on betas, in the beta participation section on the right side here you can see the none. You need to click on this and then a drop down menu will appear of all the updates, and at the top you will see all the beta versions. So select any of the beta version that you'd like, and this will work less laggy in a VR on Steam. So this is how you can solve this. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.